In September 2019, the islands of Grand Bahama and Abaco were devastated by Hurricane Dorian. CARDI assisted in conducting the post-disaster assessments for agriculture, and as a result, we were able to secure funding from AICA towards providing some support to these farmers who were affected. To date, more than 63 farmers in Grand Bahama and 17 farmers in Abaco have received seeds, vegetable seeds, planting material, as well as livestock support by way of forage seeds, grass seeds, and building construction materials. These farmers have already begun production and are well on their way to recovering both economically and financially from this devastating hurricane.